Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Welcome, parents and kids. Let's dive into a fun world of fruits and nuts. Easy, yummy, and full of learning. So, the first section is fruits. Apple. Apple. This is an apple. Banana. Banana. This is a banana. Mango. Mango. This is a mango. Orange. Orange. This is a orange. Pear. Pear. This is a pear. Plum. Plum. This is a plum. Kiwi. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Grape. Grape. These are grapes. Lime. Lime. This is a lime. Lemon. Lemon. This is a lemon. Cherry. Cherry. These are cherries. Berry. Berry. This is a berry. Fig. Fig. This is a fig. Papaya. Papaya. This is a papaya. Guava. Guava. This is a guava. Lychee. Lychee. This is a lychee. Melon. Melon. This is a melon. Date. Date. These are dates. Coconut. Coconut. These are coconuts. Pineapple. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Watermelon. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Strawberry. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. Blueberry. Blueberry. These are blueberries. Raspberries. Raspberries. These are raspberries. Section number 2. Nuts. Almond. Almond. These are almonds. Cashew. Cashew. These are cashews. Walnut. Walnut. This is a walnut. Pecan. Pecan. This is a pecan. Hazelnut. Hazelnut. These are hazelnuts. Pistachio. Pistachio. These are pistachios. Peanut. Peanut. These are peanuts. Macadamia. Macadamia. These are macadamia. Brazil nut. Brazil nut. These are Brazil nuts. Pine nut. Pine nut. These are pine nuts. Chestnut. Chestnut. These are chestnuts. Acorn. Acorn. This is an acorn. Hickory nut. Hickory nut. This is a hickory nut. Candle nut. Candle nut. This is a candle nut. Beetle nut. Beetle nut. This is a beetle nut. Kola nut. Kola nut. This is a kola nut. Gingo nut. Gingo nut. This is a gingo nut. Pili nut. Pili nut. This is a pili nut. Water chestnut. Water chestnut. These are water chestnuts. Section 3. Bonus fruits and seeds. Avocado. Avocado. This is an avocado. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. This is a passion fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. This is a dragon fruit. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. This is a cantaloupe. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.